Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm going to talk about breast cancer diagnosis. As you may know, October is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I would like to take this opportunity and talk about my project about breast cancer diagnosis. There are two main types. This should be my slides. There are two main types of breast cancer. First one is the lobular, which starts in parts of breast that produce milk. The other one is ductal, which starts in ducts that move milk from breast to a nipple, which is the most common one. Most of you might be mistaken and think that breast cancer can occur in women only. Men can also be affected, however, it's a minority. Just to give you a few quite shocking facts about breast cancer, it is the most common diagnosed cancer in women worldwide. 1 in 12 women in Ireland will develop invasive breast cancer over their lifetime. In 2010 alone, almost 1.5 million people were diagnosed with breast cancer, which is equivalent to the population of County Dublin and County Cork together. Sad news is 1 in every 3 diagnosed women dies from breast cancer, but the good news is that over 1/3 of breast cancer deaths can be decreased if detected and treated early. So what's the problem? The problem is that breast cancer does not have any visible symptoms at its early stage. Currently, breast cancer is mainly diagnosed with mammogram or similar scans, which is an issue. Although it is the best option now, these tests are usually expensive, cumbersome, and generally don't catch cancer at its early stage. And of course, cancer, as with any other disease, is best treated when detected early. So I have the solution to the problem. My project focuses on development of cheap, easy, and quick tests for early breast cancer diagnosis from blood. Blood plays a major role in diagnostics at the moment, except all the main blood components, including your red and white blood cells and platelets. There are also a number of different molecules in your blood. I closely work with a molecule called microRNA 195, or MIR195 for short. It is a biomarker, in other words, cancer indicator, which can be detected at very early stage of breast cancer before any symptoms can occur. So the solution. The ideal solution would be a small version of a blood test that could be done in a doctor's office. The procedure simply would involve collection of blood from the patient, collected sample, then could be processed in a small diagnostic device which is portable enough to fit on doctor's desk. Within minutes, presence or absence of MIR195 could be detected, and depending on the results, the risk could be assessed by doctor of breast cancer, and the treatment could be applied straight away to prevent any further development of a cancer. There are 3 main advantages of the above test. First one, and the most important one, is that with this blood test, we could be able to catch cancer at its very early stage, which in parallel with appropriate treatment could save up to 400,007 lives annually. Second advantage is that blood test is more convenient than any other current methods. And last but not least, the results could be obtained within minutes, minimizing stress and anxiety of patients while waiting for results. Finally, we might never find a universal cure. For all the cancers, but we have to fight it and try to tackle separate cancers individually to win this battle. Thank you very much.